All right. For these, essentially, the big trick is identifying what is the term that we're referring to. And I'm just going to show you here that this is the term. The variable and the exponent, basically all the variables with their exponents, but not the coefficient that's in front of it. That is the term. The term is w squared x. And here's another w squared x. In fact, on this first one, how many of those w squared x's do we have? We have 8 of them. And how many here do we have? Well, for any term, let's say it was just said x. If you just said x, how many do you have? Well, you have 1 if you don't see the coefficient. So we have 8 w squared x's plus 1 more w squared x for a total of 9 w squared x. This is the thing, that's the term, w squared x, and 9 is how many that we have total. Yeah? So let's keep going. For this one, 30 v to the 4th w cubed minus 12 v to the 4th w cubed. What is the thing? The term is v to the 4th w cubed. And there you see we've got like terms. We've got v to the 4th w cubed there, and on the right-hand side, more v to the 4th w cubes. Or I don't know if I should say more, it's kind of less because we're subtracting. So now that we know that we're dealing with the same thing, we can kind of describe it like this. You could kind of think of it like this. 30 apples minus 12 apples. What's 30 minus 12? 30 minus 12 is 18. And what are they? They are apples, or in this case more specifically, they are v to the 4th w cubed. That's the thing that they are, and the coefficients tell you how many of them you've got. Okay? So, and in fact, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just, I don't know if this is helpful, but I'm going to erase that 9 and write it again in green so that you can see that the arrow that we're pointing to there gives us the 9, and the thing that they are is boxed in blue on the left. Same thing on the right. Let me erase this. Oops. The number of them that we've got is here in purple. We've got 30 of them there. Take away 12 of them there. So we're left with 18 of them.